Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to link your credit card account to Digit. Now, linking your credit card account to Digit allows the app to provide a more complete view of your financial health by tracking your spendings, payments, and credit utilization. This helps Digit to calculate accurate savings amounts and alerts you about upcoming payments. Now, here are the steps to link your credit card accounts. First, open the Digit app. Sign into your Digit account on your mobile device. And then step 2 is to go to account settings. Tap on the menu or profile icon and then select linked accounts or bank and cards. Next, add a new account. Select the add accounts and then choose credit card from the list of financial institutions. Next, select your bank or card issuer. You're just going to search for and select your credit card provider from the supported list. Next, enter login credentials. You're going to need to provide your online banking username and password for the credit card accounts. Digit uses secure encrypted connections to protect your info so you don't have to worry about anything else. Next, grant permissions. Allow Digit to access your credit card transactions and payment history. Once that's done, verify and confirm. After linking, Digit will sync your credit card data. You may receive a confirmation message once the process is complete. Why link your credit card accounts? Well, comprehensive tracking is the first reason. Digit monitors all spendings, including credit card purchases, to give you a full picture of your expenses. Payment reminders. It helps you to avoid late fees by receiving alerts about upcoming credit card payments. And of course, better saving recommendation. With full access to your finances, Digit can adjust your automated savings to ensure that bills are covered. You also have credit health insights where you can track your credit utilization and get tips to improve your credit score. Linking your credit card account in Digit is a safe and effective way to enhance your financial management and savings plan. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.